Happy Halloween! Hi everyone, Kira here from Marketing at Sked Social. Welcome to today's Sked tutorial where I'll be walking you through this spooky Halloween story. So get your skeleton lights on and let's go. So for this tutorial, we're going to use Canva. So let's start with an Instagram story template and search Halloween. And I chose this one with the little ghost in the corner. I'm going to delete some of the elements because I'm not going to use them all in my story. And first I'm going to just make this little guy smaller and move him away from the corner so that when I post it as a story, it doesn't get cut off. I'm going to change his robe to black and I'm going to change this frame to a different purple and stretch it out a little bit because I know my photo is vertical. So I'm going to paste in my Halloween photo, which is a spider. So I'm going to go with a spider theme for this story. Then we are going to go to elements and type in drip, and I just select this first one. There's 4 different colors on there because the drips have outlines, but I didn't use that, so I just did 2 of them to be purple and 2 of them to be black. And it didn't go all the way across the photo, so I copy and pasted it, and then I just cropped the second image so that would be in line right with my photo. Now it looks like it's dripping underneath. I moved them behind the frame because I wanted it to look like the drips were coming from behind the frame. The next thing I did is add the text of Happy Halloween, and I used the font called Jeepers, which is perfect. I did 2 levels, so I did Happy and then return Halloween. And then I got it to the spacing I wanted, put it in the spot, and I changed the color to be purple, the same as my frame. And then I copy and pasted it and changed the font to white so that I could overlay the text and make that also look like it was dripping. So you'll see here, I just place it on top and now you can see that there's purple behind it. Next, all you have to do is export it as a PNG. We'll open up our Instagram and add a story. Just select it from your camera roll. Choose a sticker and type in spider web. And then select one that goes in the corner. So it's a little GIF and there's some movement. We paste it up in the corner and we are good to go with our spooky Halloween story. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe for more videos. Drop any questions in the comments. See you later and happy Halloween!